In this lesson, we are going to learn about like and unlike fractions. Till now, we have learned about fractions having equal denominators. We have also learned how to compare them and how to add or subtract them. These fractions are also called fractions with same denominators or identical denominators or sometimes like denominators. But the long phrase fractions with equal denominators or fractions with identical denominators or fractions with like denominators takes a lot of time and space in speaking as well as in writing. So there is a short name for these type of fractions and it is like fractions. So whenever you come across the term like fractions, just keep in mind that their denominators are same. For example, 3 upon 4 and 2 upon 4. These two fractions are like fractions because their denominators are same, which is 4. We have already learnt the comparison, addition and subtraction of such type of fractions. And we know that these operations are pretty simple where the denominators are same. We just have to deal with the numerators and keep the denominator as it is. Let us have a quick review of these operations. First, we are starting with comparison. We have two fractions here, 3 upon 4 and 2 upon 4. It is clearly visible that these are like fractions. So we'll just look at the two numerators. As the numerator 3 is greater, the fraction containing this numerator, that is 3 upon 4, will be greater. Now we are going to add these two like fractions. We'll keep the denominator as it is and add up the numerators. Similarly, in case of subtraction, we'll keep the denominator as it is and subtract the numerators. I would like you to visualize the like fractions for better understanding. Look at this object. Imagine that it is a chocolate bar and is divided into 4 equal parts. Also imagine that we have many such chocolate bars and each is divided into 4 equal parts. Now imagine there are two little sisters named Doogie and Billu. Their mother gives 2 such chocolate parts to Doogie. So the name of Doogie's fraction would be 2 upon 4. She has got 2 parts, so 2 goes as numerator, and there are 4 equal parts in a chocolate bar, so 4 goes as denominator. Now she gives 3 such parts to Billu. So the name of Billu's fraction would be 3 upon 4. Now if you look at the pictures, it is evident that Billu's fraction is larger. Because in both cases the denominator is same, which means chocolate is divided in 4 equal parts in both cases. That is, size of the parts are same for both Billu and Doogie. Only difference is how many such parts they each have taken, which means the numerators. That is why we look at the numerators only while comparing fractions where the denominators are equal. Here when we look at the two numerators, we find that 3 is the greater one. So fraction 3 upon 4, which is with Billu, is a greater fraction. Now I want you to visualize addition of like fractions. The chocolate bar is divided into 4 equal parts and we have many such bars. This fraction over here is 3 upon 4 and we are going to add this fraction which is 2 upon 4. It is clearly visible that after addition we will have 5 such parts. So our numerator will be 5 and since size of the parts remained unchanged, the denominator will remain unchanged as well and we will write it as it is. Similarly, you can see the subtraction of like fractions. 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 4. We are subtracting 2 parts from 3 parts. So we are left with only one part. So we write it as 1 upon 4. The numerator 1 is derived by simply subtracting the numerator 2 from the numerator 3. The denominator 4 remains as it is because size of the parts remained unchanged. Here is the definition. Fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. Now again look at this chocolate bar which is divided into 4 equal parts. And there is another chocolate bar of same size, but it is divided into two equal parts. Now suppose Dougie got 3 parts from the chocolate bar which was divided into 4 parts. And Billu receives 1 part from the chocolate bar which was divided into 2 parts. Let us go ahead and name these two fractions. The fraction which Dougie has got is 3 upon 4. As the chocolate bar was divided into 4 equal parts, 4 goes as denominator, and she has got 3 parts, so 3 as numerator. Pretty simple, isn't it? Now the fraction which Billu has got is 1 upon 2 using the same logic. Do you notice here that the denominators of these two fractions are not same? It is because the parts of the chocolate bar are not of same size. Such fractions where denominators are different are not like fractions, but unlike fractions. Here is the definition. Fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. See you in the next class.